Alrighty then. Another important issue came up. I think my cat must be nearsighted. He got up, he stretched, he did his house patrol, went down to the basement, the first floor, and then he patrolled the second floor. Then he came back up into my bedroom, and he started doing his, hey, it's time to feed me, meow. And meowing and meowing, and I don't know if caterwauling is the correct word for it, but meowing, yeah, feed me, feed me, feed me. And I said, well, Jack, I opened up a brand new can for you just this morning, and you hadn't touched it yet. So Jack went and checked, and sure enough, there was a fairly freshly opened can of his favorite gravy sauce stuff right there waiting for him, and he commenced to eating. So I know he passed by that on his patrol earlier, and he didn't see that can sitting there. I think my cat is nearsighted. And he walked right. How can a cat walk right past a freshly opened can of gravy flavored delicious meat and not know it was there? This is concerning to me. Very concerning that my cat might be nearsighted, because I count on him to do these patrols of the house to make sure the perimeter is clear. And if he's nearsighted, how's he going to know if somebody ain't standing behind the curtains and down in the living room? There could be somebody standing right behind those curtains, and if he didn't see a can of freshly opened cat food, he's not going to see somebody standing behind the curtains in the living room.